Hello, good afternoon everyone. This is Teacher Chet. This afternoon we're going to learn about our skin. We're going to know more better about our skin. So every skin color is absolutely beautiful because we are all created unique individuals. So by this we're going to understand what are the basic skin problems and also what are the functions of our skin. So let's go. Now we're going to learn about our vocabulary. So we have skin, dermis, epidermis, hypodermis, skin tone, outer layer, sensation, body temperature, rash, dermatitis, eczema, and acne. Those are our vocabulary for this lesson. So let's go. So what is our skin? So human and most of the animals are covered with a special organ called skin. Skin is one of the important organs in our bodies which gives us protection and beauty. We are mostly recognized by our facial skin and other facial features. Like for example, if you are Asians, you have a brown skin tone. If you are an American Caucasians, you have a whiter tone. So the skin is the largest organ of our body with a total area of about 20 square feet. The skin protects us from microbes and the elements and help regulate body temperature and permits the sensations of touch, heat, and cold. So our skin protects us from all kinds of viruses and bacteria. Next. So we're going to learn about our skin. So we have the three layers. We have three layers of our skin. First is we have the epidermis. The outermost layer of skin provides a waterproof barrier and creates our skin tone. So this is our epidermis. This is the example or the picture of our skin, how it looks like inside. So we have, next is we have the dermis. Beneath the epidermis contains tough connective tissue, hair follicles, and sweat glands. So next is we have the deeper subcutaneous tissue. We have hypodermis is made of fat and connective tissue. So these are the three layers of our skin. And for our skin color, we have melanocytes, which produce the pigment melanin. Melanocytes are located in the epidermis. So when we say melanocytes, this is the one who makes or creates our skin tone, if you are white or if you are black or if you are brown. Next is, what are the functions of our skin? We have, this is for protection. The skin is around 2 millimeters thick on most parts of the body. Protection is one of the fundamental functions that the skin provides to the whole of our body. Skin prevents pathogens, just like bad bacteria, viruses, and bad microbes and dust from entering in the body that may cause damage. So next is we have sensation. Our skin is responsible for our sense of touch because it contains many touch receptors. When you touch something, the receptor cells in the skin sends the messages to the brain to feel the sensation. Touch sensors on our skin are able to sense coldness, warmth, pain, smoothness, and roughness. And also hot. Our skin can identify if it's hot or cold. Next is we have body temperature. So our body or our skin control our body temperature. After the protection and sensation, the next important job that the skin must perform is to regulate the temperature of the body. Like for example, if it's cold, our body regulates our temperature so that we will not going to feel cold. So when temperature of the body rises from normal values, the skin starts to sweat. Sweating causes the evaporation of water on the skin, which results in cooling effect at the surface of the skin. Next is production of vitamin D. Some parts of the skin are able to synthesize vitamin D when sunlight hit them. Vitamin D is one of the essential vitamins that help calcium and minerals in absorbing in our bodies. People having vitamin D deficiency can stay outdoor to synthesize vitamin D naturally. So we need sunlight every day in order for our skin to produce vitamin D. Next, so I have here some common problems that we can experience to our skin. So we have rash. Nearly any change in the skin's appearance can be called a rash. Most rash are from simple skin irritation. Others result from medical conditions. Next, a general term for inflammation of the skin. It is called dermatitis, atopic dermatitis. Atypical eczema is the common form. Next is we have eczema. Skin inflammation or dermatitis causing an itchy rash. Most often it's due to an overactive immune system. Next is we have psoriasis, an autoimmune condition that can cause a variety of skin rashes. Silver scaly plaques on the skin are the most common form. Next we have is dandruff, a scaly condition of the scalp, may be caused by seborrheic dermatitis, psoriasis, or eczema. Next is we have acne. The most common skin condition, acne affects over 85% of people at some time in life. Like for example, if it's too hot, our skin reflects that the weather is very hot by getting skin rashes or any form or any types of skin problems. Next is we have samples for skin issues that we could experience, like we have skin cancer, hives, allergies, acne, eczema, ringworm, warts, boils, and burns. So those are the samples skin problems that we could experience if we're not taking care of our body. Like for example, if we don't take a bath every day, or we don't clean our body or our skin, and mostly if we have allergies in some certain kinds of food, that's the time that our body reacts and it will turn into rashes or allergies. Next, how do we take good care of our skin? By drinking lots of water. Drinking 6 to 8 ounces of water. Have you noticed your skin looking a little dry and dull lately? Maybe because you don't drink lots of water. Try it for a week and note the improvements. Drinking 6 to 8 glasses of water may sound like a lot, but it will leave your skin looking youthful, bright, and glowing. Next is we have eating a variety of food that can make our skin healthier. So eat lots of fruits and vegetables. They are not only good for your body, but they are great for your skin. They are full of vitamins and antioxidants. Fruits and vegetables that are particularly good for skin include avocados, which help hydrate your skin. And also don't forget, by eating fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel, they contain omega-3 fatty acids. This is good for our body, this kind of oil and fatty acids, which can help keep your skin looking clear. They may also help prevent aging, sun damage, and improve skin elasticity. In addition, we can get a healthier skin by getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep each day, or each night rather. So getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep can improve our skin. So and also it will help us to prepare for tomorrow's activity, or if we have to work, it helps us also to be active. So those are the types of skin, or those are the functions and skin problems. I hope that you are able to grasp the meaning of skin and able to understand what are the functions and what are the common how do we take care of our body. So I hope this video will able to entertain you and also gain you some knowledge. Hope to see you soon again, and have a great day, and stay safe always, and wash your hands regularly.